Think AI agents are just sci-fi fantasy? Think again. Alright, let's dive in. At its core, an AI agent is like a super smart digital assistant. It senses its environment, thinks about what to do, and then takes action, all on its own. Imagine a robot vacuum. It sees dirt, figures out the best path, and goes to work. That's a simple AI agent, but it gets cooler. Some AI agents can chat, play games, recommend movies, or even drive cars, all by constantly learning from data. They don't just follow rules, they adapt, make decisions, and improve over time. Here's how it works, step by step. Step 1. The agent perceives its world using sensors, cameras, or data feeds. Step 2, it analyzes this info. Think algorithms, pattern recognition, all that geeky magic. Step 3, it decides what's next, aiming to reach a goal, like winning a game, cleaning your house, or answering your questions. Step 4, it acts, and then starts the loop all over again. So, what does this mean for us? AI agents are powering smart homes, personalizing our feeds, and making our lives a whole lot easier. And as they get smarter, they'll take on even more complex tasks, from healthcare to space exploration. Bottom line, AI agents aren't just the future, they're already here, working behind the scenes. Next time you ask your phone for directions or let a bot handle your playlists, remember, that's an AI agent in action. Ready to see what they can do next? Hit subscribe for more tech deep dives.